Hey everybody, you know, I promised you a video every day of my large loss life. And this one is not gonna be all that long or all that great. There's just one thing I'm gonna talk to you about today. I'm gonna talk to you about the fact that when the call comes, we go. That means on many days when you don't really wanna move, you don't wanna hit the grind, we grind. So, not much fanfare today, but this is my large loss life. I'll see you tomorrow. Show you what I'm up to. Show you what I'm up against. Bit of a bear. And it's about to rain. 7 hours to go. Have a great day, everybody. We'll talk soon.